Hi everyone. Which one is Enter Mini? This one or this one? Of course, this one. This is Enter Mini. This is Fork Enter Mini. It is made in China. Its spec is like the Enter Mini. You see, it have the HDMI output and the USB output, and you can select the video source 1, 2, 3, 4. Today, I will test the Fork Enter Mini, its performance. I will connect two channels, HDMI 1 and HDMI 2, and the first display on the HDMI monitor, and the second, I will connect to the PC to demo the video performance. I connect the two video sources. One is Sony camcorder, the second is document camera, and I will connect to the TV monitor. It have a video. I switch the channel 1. Channel 1. You can select the format. It is core mode. And this mode. And this one mode. Channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, okay? And but when I switch to the channel 2, I switch to the channel 2. It do not have a video. Full screen. It still show the channel 1. It cannot switch to the channel 2. When I switch to the channel 3, I think it will become the black video, but no change. It show the channel 1. Okay, so full screen function is not working, just the core function and this function. Channel 1 can full screen, but channel 2 not working, just show the channel 1 video. Okay. So this Fork Enter Mini is very interesting. It cannot show the channel 2, channel 3, channel 4 full screen. The Fork Enter Mini, it also have the USB-C webcam output. I will connect the USB webcam output with the PC and test its performance. I will connect two video sources. One video source is Sony camcorder. I will connect to the HDMI 1. The second is from the document camera. And I connect the PC, use the USB-C cable. And then I turn on the QuickTime player. Select this one. Channel 1. And I also can select the channel 2. Channel 1. Channel 2. Chord. Okay, the audio source is just only one. For example, audio 1. You cannot turn on many audio sources. When I added another, it will disable. I added another, it will disable. Just only one. Just only one. Okay, and you will see its video switch is not smooth. It is not seamless. You will wait one SEC, okay? One SEC. What is the difference with the true Enter Mini Pro? The Fork Enter Mini Pro have three disadvantages. The first disadvantage, when you select the HDMI output display on the TV monitor, it just can show full screen from the channel 1. It cannot show the channel 2. The second disadvantage, the audio source is just the only one. You cannot do the audio mix. Enter Mini Pro can mix. You can mix all of channel audio. It is okay, no problem. But this one just select one audio source. The third disadvantage, when you do the video switch on PC, display on the PC, the video switch is not smooth. You see? You need wait one SEC, so the video switch is not seamless. So I think this Fork Enter Mini is not good. We do not recommend you buy right now. Maybe it will upgrade its firmware. Maybe it will become better. Okay, bye bye.